Hi there, this is Simon, personal finance coach. Every investor at some point in time considers investing in real estate because real estate is viewed as a reliable way to grow money and wealth over time. There are several ways to make money in real estate. In this video, I'm going to outline the 5 most common ways of making money in real estate. Before we dive in, please subscribe to this channel to get notified on new videos. The real estate market offers a range of opportunities to hold physical properties such as single-family homes, multi-unit, residential, commercial, and industrial properties. Real estate investing offers a range of engagements with very unique advantages to achieve high returns, use of leverage, and tax deductions. Real estate investing also involves challenges that include lack of liquidity, high cost of entry, and personal time commitment. Each of the 5 investment strategies we're about to review offer various degrees of pros and cons that enable you to choose the strategy that works the best for you and your personal preferences. Strategy number 1 is to buy property to live in. This is the most common approach where people buy properties to live in instead of paying rent. This approach provides multiple benefits and venues to increase wealth and make money. Benefit number 1 is appreciation. Over time, the value of real estate generally increases, especially if the 3 principles of real estate are observed: location, location, and location. The appreciation value is influenced by several factors, such as employment market in the area, desirability of location, being in a good school district, proximity to shopping centers, and improvements made to the property. Benefit number 2 is home improvements. By making strategic improvements to your home, you can increase its market value. However, it's important to choose projects that offer a good return on investment, as not all renovations will equally boost the home's value. Improvements with the best return on investment include kitchen updates, bathroom updates, hardwood flooring, lighting improvements, and new paint. Benefit number 3 is rental income. If you purchase a duplex, triplex, or fourplex, or a single-family residence that has extra space, such as a basement or a separate dwelling unit, you can rent it out to generate rental income. This income not only can create positive cash flow for your rental, but can help you cover mortgage payments and other expenses associated with the property. Benefit number 4 is tax savings. Homeowners can take advantage of various tax deductions, such as mortgage rate interest and property taxes, which can improve the overall financial benefits of owning a home. If you generate rental income as landlord, you can take advantage of additional tax deductions, such as maintenance expenses and depreciation. That is a big one. Capital gain exclusion is a huge one as well. It allows homeowners to exclude a significant amount of profit, called capital gain, from the sale of their primary residence from taxable income. The capital gain is calculated as the difference between the selling price and the home's adjusted purchase price. The exclusion amount can be up to $250,000 for a single and up to $500,000 for married filing jointly if homeowner lived in the home for at least 2 of the 5 years preceding the sale. These are the 4 major benefits to increasing wealth when buying a property to live in. Strategy number 2 in real estate investing is to buy property for long-term rental and lease. By purchasing property and renting or leasing it for extended periods, you can create a steady stream of income. The main benefit of real estate leasing is the predictability and consistency of income for the term of the lease, that is usually 1 year or more. This strategy leverages the stability of long-term leases, where tenants typically pay rent on a monthly basis, providing rental income that can cover mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, property maintenance, and other expenses. Moreover, lease agreements can often include clauses that adjust rent based on inflation or market conditions, further protecting the investment. Whether you manage the property yourself or hire a professional property manager, maintaining property in good condition, addressing tenants' concerns promptly, ensuring timely rent collection, and filling in vacancies are all essential for generating positive cash flow. Properties in high-demand areas or near essential amenities like schools, shopping centers, and public transportation tend to attract long-term tenants. Residential properties, particularly multifamily units, such as an apartment complex, are popular choices for their ability to house multiple tenants, allowing to diversify the income stream. Long-term rentals offer financial benefits beyond monthly rental income. Property appreciation over time can increase the value of the investment, providing potential capital gains when you decide to sell. Tax advantages such as deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, maintenance, and property management reduce taxable income. You can also claim depreciation, which can reduce taxable income and enhance overall profitability. Additionally, if you decide to exchange the property for a different one, and there is a number of good reasons for doing that, you can defer capital gains that would be typically due upon the sale using Section 1031 Exchange Code. And finally, the strategy of investing in a long-term rental can be combined with the previous strategy of buying to live in if your rental property is a multi-unit property and you live in one of the units of the property. Strategy number 3 is house flipping. House flipping is a strategy where you purchase a property with the intention of renovating it and selling it for profit within a short period of time. This approach typically involves targeting homes that are undervalued or require repairs, enhancing homes' value through renovation, and then selling it at a higher price. House flipping involves property acquisition, purchase financing, renovation, and sale. The goal of this strategy is to buy low, improve the property, and sell high, often within a few months. This strategy requires good understanding of the real estate market, renovation skills, and the ability to manage costs effectively. Successful flippers look for homes in desirable locations with strong resale potential. Renovating the property is where the bulk of the work and the potential profit lies. It is crucial to create a detailed budget, timeline, and hire a reliable contractor for the renovations to avoid unexpected costs and delays. Some people adopt the strategy of living in the property while making the renovations. This is called live-in flip. Live-in flip saves you in carrying costs and allows investors to claim capital gain tax exclusions of up to $250,000 or $500,000 after living in the home for 2 years and selling it afterwards. Strategy number 4 is wholesaling, also known as contract flipping. Wholesaling is a short-term investment strategy when an individual, known as a wholesaler, acts as an intermediary between a property seller and a buyer. The wholesaler secures a contract to purchase a property, often at a discount price, and then assigns that contract to another buyer for profit. This profit is typically the difference between the price agreed upon with the seller and the price the buyer is willing to pay. Wholesaling can be a profitable entry point for new real estate investors due to its low capital requirements, low risks, and potential for quick profits. However, it does require strong negotiation skills, good network of potential buyers, and deep understanding of the real estate market dynamics. Strategy number 5 is investing in real estate investment trusts known as REITs. REIT is a company that owns, operates, and finances income-producing real estate. REITs allow individual investors to earn a share of the income generated through the real estate ownership without having to buy or manage properties themselves. While the first 4 strategies we discussed involve owning tangible assets, they also come with challenges of property management requiring significant personal involvement. For those seeking to make money in real estate without the burden of personal involvement, a REIT is a valid alternative worthwhile considering. The two main type of REITs are equity REITs that generate income primarily through rents, and mortgage REITs that generate income from interest payments. REITs can be private or publicly traded on a stock exchange. Publicly traded REITs offer better liquidity, while private REITs may be able to generate higher incomes. Historically, REITs have served as a good hedge against inflation, and overall, REITs provide a way to participate in the real estate market without the complexities of direct property ownership, making them an appealing option for many. In summary, we reviewed 5 most common ways to invest in real estate. All in all, there are a number of ways to make money in real estate, and each option offers specific benefits and the potential for income. These are all reliable options to invest in real estate to grow money over time, but which one works the best for you is based on the pros and cons that the best suits your personal preferences. Please subscribe to this channel to get notified on new videos, and thank you for watching.